Okay, so I'm working in these package units, and I'm gonna replace that inducer motor because this one has a bad bearing. So I'm already got a brand new here from the supply house. So I'm gonna take this one off and I'm gonna put this one back in. So I got all the screws removed from this side. You got one screw, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you got one screw over here, another one here at the bottom, then another one, and then another one here. You got 4 in total. So I got it disconnected from the plug, right? This is the plug. This is the other one, got it disconnected. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna install the new one. There we go. This how it came up. So now I'm gonna have to turn off my camera because I need both hands to install this motor. Well, actually, I think I can use one hand. So let's see if I can use one hand. Oh, it's gonna be tough, but let's see. So it's the new one, and this is the way it goes. All right, let's go like this, and it's go like this, right? It's one top going on top like that. So let's see. Yeah, actually, I need both hands, so I'm gonna try just to put 2 screws in it, just to hold it, and then I'm gonna come back with the camera so you guys can see the whole job. Okay, so I got already mounted, right? I put those 2 screws, one here, one over here. So now I'm gonna put the rest of the screws because I do not longer need 2 hands. So let's put it up, one over here. See how it goes? See? See? Let's put the other one. This is how I do it, look. Here, right? And the other one goes over here. There we go. Let me tighten this. So this one, I'm gonna remove this because I need to put the washer. But as of right now, you know, I'm gonna just place the rest of the screws. And the other one goes over here. See where it goes? Right here. Okay, let me use one hand so again. It's not easy. Okay, let me put it up first over here. Okay, so I got one. Right, so let's put the other one. Another one over here. And we got one more. There's one more over here. Okay. Now I can use it. I can use the driver. There it is. Next one. There it is. And the next one. There we go. So we got it properly mounted. So I'm gonna try to remove this one right here because I need to put the washer. So to put that washer back in because we don't want anything happen to this inducer motor. So okay, Okay, good, we got it. Okay, let's try this way. Okay, we got it mounted. Now we're gonna just plug it in, right, to the plug. To the plug. All right, so plug it in. So now that it's mounted, so we're gonna put the unit on test and see how this inducer motor works. So the unit is completely off. I got the unit off. So now I'm gonna put the unit on test. This is how I put it on there. When it said test over here, that means you get those jumper wires and you put one side, and it's gonna be calling for the blower. Then when I put it back again, it's gonna be calling for cooling, and then it's gonna call for cooling compressor number 2, and then after they finish and I put it again, it's gonna be calling for heat for the inducer motor to come on. So let's try. So I got the unit on, and let's put one click first. All right. Okay, we got the blower running, so now the compressor is gonna work. It takes a couple seconds sometimes. We got compressor number 1. Now we're gonna get number 2 is running, right? Now we're gonna get the heat, okay? So the heat should come on now. There it is. Okay, that's my inducer motor. It's running. So we're gonna check amperage on that one, just to make sure everything is working properly. Excuse for my camera because I'm just using one hand, so I'm trying to show you everything.